Youssef, let's go to you first. What did you make of the quarter?
Look, it wasn't as strong as we had hoped, or even ultimately, I think they disappointed a lot of people, mostly with the guidance. But the quarter in of itself, I think, was almost honestly non-event. The issue now is the company is going through really a period of transition of two things. They're transitioning to Reels, they're transitioning to Metaverse. One is over in that short term, call it 2 to 3 years. The other is 5 to 10. So there are a lot of uncertainties, but we're still sticking with it. On this one, I actually would agree with John.
Mark, I was just having a conversation with one of our producers here in the Bureau, and, follows on Julia's conversation over management change. What do you think is going on at the top? I mean, we hear often about the high profile, like Sandbergs, that are leaving, but a layer down, there's been a lot of departures as well, like Fiji Simo to Instacart. I mean, is this an issue of burnout, or do you think that there's an issue with Zuckerberg's leadership and this pivot that he's trying to maybe force down other executives' throats?
No, I don't think there's anything like that going on. I think that's a narrative hunting for a story. I think we've seen a lot of rotation just across the entire tech sector in general. Many folks moving around, certainly lots of layoffs taking place, opportunities unemerging. We're certainly seeing perhaps, to use kind of the old colloquial term of a wartime CEO emerging. And so for those that effectively joined when everything was on the up and up, might be a slightly different operating environment. But as I think was mentioned earlier, Zuck is incredibly engaged. And so he's being active about effectively reorganizing the business for the current operating environment that we're in.
Mark, I thought it was interesting, your note today, below the headline noise, we like what we see, maybe the only digital ad name with the guts to guide, the midpoint XFX stays in the black, expenses being reined in as requested. Does today's price action make sense to you in light of that?
It does. We always tend to, in the internet space, to circle around kind of big, kind of round numbers. And so the very first kind of revenue decline in their history is going to make headlines. A guide at the low end of minus 10% for a historic growth company, certainly going to drive those negative headlines further. And, we're certainly slightly disappointed with the guide. We would have loved to have seen it higher. But I do think that a revenue decline, irregardless of where investors, numbers were and mindset was, is certainly going to drive that pressure downward. And I think what it reflects is, they are going through a pivot in their business. As Youssef mentioned, it's not just about monetization. It's also about the product and how folks use the product. And so underneath all of this transition, what you really want to see from this company is how do we come out the other side of this? When do we get back to a growth story? When do these headwinds flip over into tailwinds? And we don't really have an answer to that yet.